Many people say they want to start an online business, but the truth is, not many of them understand what an online business really is. So, in this video, I'm going to break it down in a simple way. I'll be showing you how to start, even as a beginner.
And it goes a little something like
Hi, my name is Edna. I help people, especially stay-at-home mom, build wealth through simple online business strategies. If that's something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe and join this growing community. What is an online business? An online business is not just posting on social media or being active online. An online business is an intentional act of conducting commercial activities over the internet. It is a system where you provide value, solve a problem, and you get paid doing that through the internet. I want you to think of it from the traditional point of view. In the traditional business, you have a physical store. But in an online business, your phone or your computer is your store. Your platforms like YouTube and others becomes your storefronts. Your content which you intentionally create is a way of attracting customers, clients, followers, subscribers, partners. Hence the word attraction marketing. So instead of chasing customer like it is in the traditional system, you are creating values that brings people to you. You know, when you create these values, people like it and subscribe or become your followers. Now let's talk about types of online businesses. There are many types of online businesses, but as a beginner, you don't need to do everything. You just want to start from somewhere. The most beginner-friendly options in online businesses is number one, content creation. You create videos or make posts that teach, inspire, or entertain your audience, your followers, or your subscribers. And as you grow, you can earn through ads, brand deals, partnership, etc. The number two types of online business is the affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services to earn a commission when people buy. For example, you can recommend products from stores like Amazon, Etsy, etc. You don't need to create your own products. You simply share what works, things that people are buying into, what is trending, what people need. You promote that, and when they buy it, you get a commission. Number three, digital products, where you create something once and sell it multiple times. Examples, ebooks, courses. We've heard about online courses, guides. This is so powerful because with it you can create a passive income by creating something once and it's still being sold repeatedly. Number four, we have the coaching or services, where you help people directly based on your knowledge or experience in life. For example, teaching, consulting, mentoring. In doing this, you have to find a niche that aligns with your strengths and start from there. Number five is the investments online business. This is where you invest your savings in an already existing business. They call it high ticket business, and you become a partner and you become a marketer in that business, and you start to sell business opportunity. So that is it for types of online business. People ask, do I need money to start an online business? And I know this is one of the biggest reasons people don't start an online business, because they think they need money. But let me simplify it for you. You don't need money, you need resourcefulness. But that depends on what type of online business you want to start. If you are the one who wants to start content creation, you already have what you need. You have the phone, internet access, your knowledge or experience, or call it skills. So in doing this, there are free tools that can help you start by creating content. Tools like Canva that will help you beautify your content. Many successful people started with nothing. I started with nothing, but with consistency and determination, they have become big on the internet business. So you don't let lack of money stop you. Start with what you have. Start by becoming a content creator. But if you want other digital businesses like investment opportunity, of course, as the name goes, investments, you need money to start that. Depends on what you want. People say, what do I need to become successful in an online business? You need value, not perfection. What is that? A mindset shift. This is where many beginners get stuck. They wait until everything is perfect. No, you don't need perfection to begin. Some will come and say, I need a camera. I need a perfect background, the perfect plan. But the truth is, waiting for perfection will delay your progress. People out there are not looking for perfection. They are looking for help. So instead of asking, is this perfect? You want to ask, will this help someone with what I am bringing to the table? Will it resonate with somebody out there? When you focus on value, people definitely will listen to you. And when you focus on helping people, people will engage with your contents. And when you answer questions people have, or you solve their problems, people will certainly follow you. And that's how your online business begins to grow. And before you know it, you get what? Monetize and start earning online in no time. Now, I want to add this to it. You need action and faith to grow your online business. Because I discover many people start, but along the way they get discouraged. They forget that they are building. When you are building something, when you start something new, you need to align with the process. You will be tested if you actually want to do this. Many are so attracted because of the money. They look at the money. But if you are concerned about helping people, changing the world, impactful living, no matter what it is, you want to stick with it. You want to know what you want. Is this what you truly want to do? Why do you want to have an online business? What is your why? Because you will be tested along the way. What do I mean? When I started my online business and it looked as if monetization wasn't coming, fast as I expected, I was almost giving up. So that is why I am saying this. You don't want to give up at that point. You will be tested. Is this what you want? What if monetization doesn't come fast? Will you still be doing it? I remember when I was tested, I told myself, even though I don't get monetized, I will be making memories online. I'll be giving people values, solving their problems, answering their questions. That alone was satisfying to me before I got monetized. Many are not patient at this point to continue to do what they need to do to build business online. You want to truly ask yourself, do I want to do this? And if yes is your answer, as someone who wants to build business, you want to believe in yourself and have faith. Believe in what you are doing. And if your concern is how to make the world a better place, certainly you will win in your online business. So have faith. But faith alone without action will not produce results. Action here, I'm talking about doing the needful. You want to continue showing up even when you get discouraged. You want to continue creating that content. You want to learn new skills, because along the way we discover that there are skills that we want to learn. Nobody is an island. Nobody knows it all. I am still learning. Others are still learning. Learning new skills, improving on ourselves and our businesses. You want to stay consistent no matter what. You want to be disciplined. You want to be diligent. So when you combine faith with action, you will begin to see results. And God is faithful. He said what? Your expected end shall never be cut short. In conclusion, I want you to start. Start before you feel ready. You will learn along the way. Why am I saying this? Many people talk about not having the courage to start. They keep waiting for the perfect time. And I tell you, there is never going to be any perfect time. Waiting until you feel ready is not going to happen if you don't take action. You may never feel 100% ready. So irrespective of how you feel, just start. You don't have to feel like it. If it's what you want to do, you want to do the needful. At the beginning, you might not feel it. You might even get scared, get confused. Sometimes you are unsure if you want to do this. But I tell you, people who succeed are not the ones who feel ready, but the ones who start anyhow. The ones who start anyways, they are the ones who get successful in businesses. So start, because when you start, you learn, you grow, and you gain confidence. Clarity comes from action, not waiting. So don't wait for perfect time. Start where you are. So in closing, you don't need to have everything figured out at the beginning. You just need to take the first step and trust God to guide you all the way if this is what you want to do. And if you are that person, you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not? I want you to subscribe, like my videos, comment on it, and share so that others can see it and be encouraged to start their online business. So with this, I say we have come to the end of today's video. See you in my next video. I remain your sister in faith and in purpose. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. Bye.